So today's practice is all about building power, building confidence, and building strength, both physical strength and inner strength. So let's begin. First thing, as always, just want to check in, just tune in briefly. Where are we? Just closing your eyes and just checking in. Where am I? What's present? What stands out? Maybe I feel energized. Maybe I feel a bit tired or sluggish and I feel like I need to wake myself up. Maybe I feel worried, frantic, and I just need to get out of this energy. I really just want to reset. Um, Maybe there's something intense has happened in your life. Just noticing where you're at. Not judging it, it's not right or wrong, just being aware. Always want to be aware of where our energy is so that we know how to navigate it, how to take care of it, how to manage it, how to move it. And once you have felt into that, just begin standing in about a shoulder width stance and we'll do our shaking. So this shaking is just going to more so aliven us. So begin bouncing on the balls of your feet and big inhales. Usually we do this to release tension, and it will release tension just through the vibration. But I really want to use this time to become alive. So big breaths in. Breathing in spirit, breathing in life. Breathing in energy. Energy is around us all the time, everywhere. You don't have to be out in nature. You can be inside your home, inside your office. And just feeling this energy as you breathe it in. Imagine it lighting up every cell in your body. So all the cells in your body start to glow with every inhale. Feel free to make a sigh on the exhale. Again, the sound, the vibration of the sound just helps shake off tension and tightness. And filling yourself up with fresh chi, fresh life. And just seeing your entire body lighting up like a Christmas tree. Feeling your legs, feeling your torso, feeling your arms, feeling your head, lighting up as a golden white crystalline structure, sparkly, alive. And stop and just feeling the life inside your body, the chi, the pulsations, the vibrations. And just taking a moment of gratitude for this life. So many people are in a hospital bed or have passed away or are sick. Just feeling gratitude for your well-being in this moment, your health, your body, your life. And moving into some arm swings. So it's just a double pulse. We're just going to start to build the chi now. So you'll probably start to feel some vibration, some sensation, some heat. some discomfort, as many would like to say, some chi, some life force energy, all the same thing. And this practice is all about allowing and harmonizing to that sensation, to the heat, to the chi that's going to fill up our body, to the discomfort that we're about to feel. It's a difference between pain and discomfort. Discomfort is just a part of life, but we don't have to live in pain. Pain doesn't have to be our experience. Pain comes from the mind suffering, not wanting to be where we are, wanting to run, wanting to push away things, instead of just allowing and harmonizing. See, so elbows bend. Same motion, just with the elbow bend. Probably starting to feel your shoulders now. Just allow it. Harmonize to the burn. Promise you, your shoulders, your arms will not blow up. The mind will think it will want to stop, scratch your head, think of something else, move on to the next thing. Your job is just stay anchored inside your heart and your beingness and the truth of who you are. Allow the sensations to build without reacting to them. See, same thing, just arms straight out. Using your breath to move that energy, to stay relaxed. So it doesn't just stay in one spot, releasing it from your body, either just releasing it from your skin, out through your skin, or sending it down into the ground. And filling yourself up with fresh chi, fresh energy, fresh life. See, so 2 back, 2 to the side. And overhead, full swings. And twist. And kicks. So getting some energy to the legs now. Also opening the low back. Stay with your breathing. Off to the side. So 45. Keeping that leg straight as much as you can. It's a great flexibility move, great for the hamstrings, the lower back. And circle, in to out. Out to in. Good. And coming into horse stance, Mabu stance. So it's wider than your shoulders. And we're going to just start with some pulses. So partial squat, just above 90 degrees. We're just going to pulse for a bit. And let's get 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the last one, hold. Arms come out in front like you're hugging a tree. Low back should be rounded down. Back should be straight, not hunched over. Straight up and down. Tailbone pressed to the floor. And hold. And allow the chi to build. Allow the chi to build. Allow the legs to shake. Allow the burn to rise. And you just stay solid and anchored inside your true self, your invisible essence, your power, your heart field. Harmonizing to the sensations. And really allowing the whole body to relax. So I'm not squeezing my legs, I'm not squeezing my muscles. I'm just sinking into this pose, allowing my fascia and my bones, the skeleton structure to hold me up. Everything relaxed. And using the breath to relax yourself. We're going to stay here for a few minutes. And you can use sound to move the energy. You can use your breath to push the energy down into the ground, to offer it up. Allowing the sound to soothe you, to relax you, to connect you to your source of being. And just watching, notice how the mind wants to run, how it wants to shift weight, how it wants to scratch your head, how it wants to move to the next thing or think of something else. And just stay centered, stay with it. Stay with the feeling, stay with the energy. Stay anchored in your true self and watch the mind, watch how it panics. Watch how it runs. And just soften into it, remind it that it's safe, it's okay. It's okay. Exhale and lower a little bit more. We're almost there. Breathing in life. Allow the legs to shake. Keeping your energy calm and clean and clear. Simply through your intention and your breath. We're almost there. Stay with me. sink a little bit lower. Staying connected to your true self, your power. One more breath. And slowly coming up. And shaking out the legs. Great, great work. And maybe a couple twists. Closing your eyes. Softening your body. And just feeling yourself, noticing where you're at. Do you feel more alive than when you started this practice? Do you feel more powerful? Do you feel more centered in your true self? Not so reactive to the mind, knowing that you can handle anything that comes your way from this place of inside yourself, this place of harmony, this place of your heart, this other part of your being. Do you feel yourself, your true self, the life force energy that's always moving through you and around you? And you can do that for 1 minute, you can do it for 5 minutes, you can do it for 10 minutes. One of these times we'll do a challenge where we build up each week. But yeah, it's a great exercise to do for physical strength, inner strength, and to just clear energy. And if you feel it, if you want even more aliveness, go hop inside a cold lake or a cold shower or splash some cold water on your face and your arms. Or if you don't have that, at least drink some cold water. Just notice how the difference it makes you feel, the impact it has on your energy, how it makes you feel alive and powerful. And knowing when to implement these types of activities into your daily life when you feel a bit stagnant or sluggish or maybe just really full of worries and anxiety. This is a great way for you to just flush out your system. And it doesn't mean it's the way to do every time. It's a way. We don't always just want to run away from our feelings. Sometimes we need softness. Sometimes we need to sit still and feel and hold ourselves. Other times we need strength and we need power and we need to remind ourselves of who we are. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for your energy, your presence. And if you like these videos, hit subscribe so we can continue to practice together. Much love.